WerkMaster. Grind and polish concrete with our polished concrete in a box. The Boss disassembles for easy transport. Plugs into any standard 110-volt wall socket. Fast, effective epoxy paint removal. Safety line removal without the hassle. Remove aluminum oxide finishes and refinish hardwood floors.
So this machine is like having 6 hand grinders strapped together with a belt. We're not just taking a tool and spinning it in a big circle. These are direct drive 6 heads, and how they work is that the outside heads spin in a clockwise direction and the inside heads spin in a counterclockwise direction. So what does that give you? That gives you tremendous cutting power. Just imagine when you take a cup wheel hand grinder and you turn it up to full speed and you drop it on a piece of concrete, what happens? It just cuts like the dickens. And you're getting that same technology going here times 6. You're also, with this technology, the machine is going to float or hover along the floor. So with a single head machine, it usually spins in a clockwise direction. So it's always pulling the operator off to the side. So this machine is incredibly safe to operate if you're a first-time user. It's not going to pull you left to right. It's not like a swing machine where you have to lift the handle up and down. This machine just effortlessly glides across the floor. So if you're, say, working around a pool deck, this isn't going to push into the pool there. So it's very safe. Tooling changes are absolutely simplified with this system as well. There's no tools required to put the tools on or off the machine. It's called our plug and go system. All you do is you take the tool and you just plug it into the machine with a rubber. There's 2 rubber grommets there. They hold the tool and it's all friction fit. So that's it. So if you want to go from grinding a concrete floor to sanding a wood floor, all you do is you pull this out like so. The machine comes with these foam Velcro pads. You would put on your paper and you just slide it right in. And now you've got a hardwood floor sander. So you're going from concrete to wood, same machine. All you're doing is changing the bottom of the tooling pad here. So that's super handy. You can get someone who rents the machine one day to do their garage floor, to put a coating down, and then they can rent it the following week and they can sand their hardwood floor deck. So it's very, very versatile piece of equipment. On all the tooling plates we have something that's called a shear pin. So that's the shear pin right here. This is called the compression foam. This is like the shock absorber of a car. It allows to take any run out, any vibration out of what the machine is coming across. But the shear pin here, this is an engineered break point. It isn't easy to break, but this is designed to shear off if it comes in contact with something. So say you're grinding the floor and you hit a nail, you didn't walk the floor, and all of a sudden you hit this big bolt sticking out of the floor. The shear pin is designed to come in contact, where the plate will come in contact with that bolt. This will shear, protecting the entire drivetrain. So the homeowner hits something in his floor, he's unaware, and he breaks one of these shear pins. The machine ships with extra pieces, and all that's required is that the shear pin will be broken. You just get your new shear pin, and it's just a pin and a screw, and you just replace it, and that's it. You're back in business. You don't have to bring the machine back. The homeowner can just carry on and finish his job there. So we've kind of thought of everything there when it comes to making the machine very reliable in the field, very easy to use. All you would need here is an Allen key head. So you don't need a lot of tools to even be able to service that machine. So on the ease of use guideline there, the machine also separates into 3 parts. You don't have to retighten the belt, or there's nothing to retighten afterwards as well. It's completely self-contained. So again, super easy to use. Before we actually run the machine, you've kind of noticed that this plate, this tooling plate, is very close to the edge. This machine is also an edger. It gets to within 1/8 inch of the wall. So basically, the only thing stopping it from hitting the wall is the dust skirt. So that's how close this tooling segment gets. So again, when you're refinishing a wood deck or a concrete floor or getting any prep ready, you don't need a hand grinder. You don't have to break out your hand grinder and grind all the edges, which, you know, on some jobs can be up to 40% of the labor spent is actually doing all your edges. So you're going to get the same results along the edge as you are in the field. That's very important if you're polishing concrete, because that's a really tricky thing to maneuver there, is blending of the edges. So you don't it completely eliminates that from the equation there. We also have developed a proprietary tooling system for wood. So we have what's called SandPaperLess technology. So we're not using sandpaper to actually remove the finishes. We're actually using our diamond technology that we have so much experience with. We've redeveloped it in this tool called the Turbo Rasp, and that's actually going to pull all the coatings and all the finishes off your hardwood floor. So if you got a wood deck, you would start with this tool, and then you could finish the floor with sandpaper, but all your removal, all your cup deck boards, this will do a great job of taking down your cup deck boards without the use of any sandpaper.